I'm behind me is the Dolmabahçe Palace and Dolmabahçe clock, and across on the opposite side is the mosque, Dolmabahçe Mosque. Now, a bit of history about the Dolmabahçe Palace. Dolmabahçe Palace was constructed by the 31st Sultan Abdullah Mahdi, who basically felt that the Topkapi was not as luxurious as it could be. So he built it right across. If you look across, there are trees over there, but on the other side is the Topkapi Palace, and he constructed it here. It started somewhere between 1856. It took about a couple of years to develop, and then the Sultan moved in here, and it remained. He stayed here till 1922, and then that's the brief history about Dolmabahçe Palace. It's very at the European side of the Istanbul. Very nice. There's a stadium across this. And in front is the Dolmabahçe Palace entrance. So let's go in. And now we are entering the main gate of Dolmabahçe Palace, which I just explained it earlier. So the river goes from here. The best part today, the weather is really nice. A bit of cloudy and a light breeze. Every sultan had his own signature, and of all these sultans, this is the 31st sultan whose signature is this, which was on the stem. Once you buy the ticket, this is the first entrance. When you go inside, then there is a second entrance, and then you go further in. That's where the palace is. So we'll be taking you inside, and you can have a look at the palace. It's beautiful from the outside. A very historical value. So yep.